We're talking about arm drags in Kali or in weapon arts. Now there are three ways of thinking of these. If Jithin comes this side, essentially what an arm drag is I'm taking Jithin's arm either across his body, across my body, or both. Okay. Now I have three ways of thinking of an arm drag and the uses of an arm drag within the weapon arts within Kali. The first is that I'm looking to isolate Jithin's arm. Okay, so let's say that I am in an empty hand versus knife kind of situation. Jithin's thrusting. I have come into some kind of 2-on-1 control. Jithin continues to push. I get to the outside, right? That arm drag allowed me to isolate Jithin's arm, the weapon arm, and from here I can start either looking to break that arm, attack Jithin, disarm the knife, throws, whatever it may be, but it's allowed me to isolate the arm. Now let's say from this kind of situation, I managed to isolate the arm, but Jithin bent his arm and he starts switching his knife hand. Now in this kind of situation, I might need to bail on this arm and go for his back. Because the arm drag got me to the outside, I now have access to Jithin's back and I can start looking for things like these kind of tie-ups, right? Where I have again 2-on-1 but from the back, and from here again if I want to do throws I can do throws, if I want to strike I can strike. I have options, but the arm drag allowed me to get to the outside, it allowed me to isolate that arm, and it gave me access to the back. These are two really important functions especially when we're talking about empty hands versus knife, when I'm trying to isolate or stop Jithin's arm from just moving all over the place and attacking me indiscriminately. Okay. Now when we go to knife versus knife, the arm drag gives me one more option, which is that it allows me to push or twist Jithin's body, twist Jithin's spine like this, which then allows me options. So let's say Jithin does a low thrust. Maybe I've done a gunting this way, or maybe I go directly and I bisect, and this is, instead of doing an arm drag in the traditional way where I'm dragging the arm across, as Jithin's knife is coming towards me, either I can stop it here, bisect it here, I can parry it here, or I can directly drop my wrist to wrist and deflect his arm across my body. Now I'm going to go palm facing up in between his elbow and his tricep, and now I'm going to just push to twist his spine, opening all of this up for me. Now I need to use this, I'm going to drive into him as I'm looking to stab and as I'm looking to attack. So one more time, he's stabbing me, I'm going to the outside, deflecting his arm across his body, across my body. There can be a little cut over here, I can stab over there, push, twist his spine, and I'm looking for stabs and attacks from here. So the arm drag is an extremely versatile and important concept in the Filipino martial arts. We have actually a bunch of drills addressing just this. There's what me and Jithin just did right now. I'm going to now he's going to drop the arm down. There's this really simple drill which is teaching me this deflection. From here, if Jithin gives me an angle 1, there's this also, which most of the time is known as hubad lubad or sagang lubo. Again, I'm protecting myself from his attack, getting to the outside, but I'm getting to the outside by pushing his arm across my body so that I can get control and push it across his body. I can do the same thing, but instead of going under the knife, maybe I've come here. Now I'm going to go again across the body. There's a little slash in there, control, stab, push across.